How to download JumpForce on Android mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download JumpForce on Android phone. So let's get started. First thing, simply head over to your Play Store application. Since you can't directly download the JumpForce application on your Android, as you can see there is no direct application. So you must apply or download it through via the emulator, and you can play it via the emulator called Cheeky. So just make sure you download this application first. So since it's a cloud game, you don't have to actually completely install it on your device. You can play it online. So let me just first install the emulator. So the another application you have to download in place of playing this game is the Tomato application, Tomato VPN. So just make sure you download this as well. So by simply clicking on install over here and wait for a few seconds. So once it gets installed, just click on OK and start the VPN application to turn on the VPN. So once you're inside here, just click on go and click on OK from over here, and it should connect you to some VPN so that you will be able to locate any games on the Cheeky application. So now you just have to go and open the emulator, that is Cheeky application over here. And once inside here, just click on search and just searching for the JumpForce, which is name of our game, and just tap on it and you can click on play and start playing it online. So that is exactly how you can easily download JumpForce on Android phone mobile. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.